Hello flower lovers and gardening enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll explore a method of propagating roses by cuttings using a combination of natural ingredients. This method is simple and easy to implement, yet it creates a favorable environment for rose cuttings to quickly recover and develop new roots. First, prepare a healthy, disease-free, and vigorous cutting of your favorite rose. Choose a medium-sized cutting, neither too young nor too old, to increase the chances of rooting. After selecting a suitable cutting, remove all leaves and thorns. Removing leaves helps reduce water loss, while removing thorns makes handling easier and prevents scratching the stem during care. Next, trim the rose cutting to about 10 centimeters in length so the plant can concentrate nutrients on root formation instead of nourishing the stem. After preparing the cutting, prepare a clove of garlic, peel off the outer layer, and cut it in half. Use a small knife to make a small hole in the center of the clove, then gently rub the garlic clove over the entire cutting, especially the base and cuts. Garlic contains many natural antibacterial agents such as allicin, which can help prevent fungal diseases and protect the cutting during its sensitive early stages. After rubbing, let the stem air dry for a few minutes so that the garlic essence adheres evenly to the surface. Next, prepare a chicken egg, wash it, and separate the egg, white, and yolk. Beat the yolk gently to create a smooth mixture. The egg yolk contains many natural proteins, vitamins, and minerals that help nourish the base of the stem during the initial rooting stage. Then, gently soak the base of the rose stem in the egg yolk for about 15 minutes to allow the stem to absorb the nutrients. While waiting for the rose stem to be treated, we will prepare the next nutrient solution. Take a fresh lemon, wash it, and cut it in half. Squeeze all the lemon juice into a clean plastic cup and filter out the seeds to prevent the mixture from becoming bitter or spoiling quickly. Lemon contains natural acids and vitamin C that help clean the environment around the base of the stem and inhibit bacterial growth. Next, take 2 cloves of garlic, peel them, and chop them finely. Add the garlic to a glass of lemon juice, then add about 150 milliliters of warm water and stir well. The lemon and garlic mixture will create a mild antibacterial solution, helping to protect the cuttings from root rot in the early stages. Next, take about 150 milliliters of Coca-Cola and mix it with the lemon garlic solution. Although Coca-Cola is a familiar drink, in small quantities, the sugar and minerals in it can contribute to providing energy for the cutting environment. When combined with lemon and garlic, this mixture creates a more stable moisture environment for the rose cuttings. Stir the mixture well and let it sit for about 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to blend completely. Next, prepare a clean plastic cup and fill it almost completely with treated river sand. River sand is a very suitable substrate for cuttings because it has high aeration, helping young roots develop easily and preventing waterlogging. After the Coca-Cola lemon garlic mixture has soaked for the required time, filter out the solids to obtain the clear liquid. Remove the rose cutting from the egg yolk and pour the remaining yolk into a cup of sand. Continue adding sand until the cup is full, ensuring the nutrients from the yolk are evenly distributed throughout the substrate. Then, insert the rose cutting into the center of the cup, ensuring the base is deeply embedded in the sand. Finally, pour the Coca-Cola lemon garlic solution into the cup of sand, just enough to keep it moist. Avoid overwatering to prevent waterlogging and root rot. After completion, place the cup of cuttings in a cool, airy place, away from strong sunlight and wind. A stable environment with gentle light and suitable humidity will help the rose cuttings adapt faster. During this stage, avoid moving or roughly handling the cuttings to prevent damage to the developing root tissue. After about 10 days of proper care, the rose cuttings will begin to show very positive signs. The tender green shoots gradually emerge, their stems strong and full of vitality. The base of the cutting also begins to grow many new, healthy white roots, evenly distributed around the stem. This indicates that the cutting has adapted well to the new environment, and rooting is progressing favorably. It's safe to say that roses are always one of the most beloved plants, thanks to their captivating beauty. Delicate fragrance, and ability to brighten up any living space. However, to successfully propagate roses, especially by cuttings, growers need to pay close attention to the cutting preparation and rooting environment. Even a slight lack of water or fungal infection in the cutting will significantly reduce its survival rate. Therefore, many people utilize readily available natural ingredients in the kitchen to stimulate root growth and protect the cuttings safely. Once the root system is more stable, you can transplant the rose cutting into a larger part with a loose, well-draining substrate such as coconut fibre or a nutrient-rich soil mixture. Initially, after transplanting, maintain moderate moisture and avoid harsh sunlight to allow the plant to recover. With proper care, the initial small cutting will gradually develop into a healthy rose bush with lush green foliage and vibrant blooms. Hopefully, with this method, you will have more enjoyable experiences in the process of propagating roses. And at the same time, create many healthy parted roses to beautify your garden, balcony, or a small corner of your home, always full of colour and natural vitality.